Hello everyone, this is Tony at Haas. Today we're going to show you how to design an object for 3D printing. We're going to use a free website. This is cloud-based design. The website's called TinkerCad. You go to tinkercad.com, sign up for your free account. Once you got all that squared away, you log in and you click on design and you click new, and now you get a new screen. It's a blank screen, you're starting over. And what you do to design is normally you start with primitives. And these objects here on the right are the primitives. Today we're going to just design a real simple pencil box. For your desktop, you grab this box and we're going to grab these little white things and we're going to stretch the box, and you can see what the dimensions are as I move it around. And of course we can't stick any pencils in that box, so let's grab a little cylinder here. We'll put a cylinder right here. Now while the cylinder is highlighted, we're going to click on hole. Now what that did, that just made a hole. When designing, you want to make sure you leave material around and you don't have any empty spaces where you don't want. You'll also notice that there's an arrow above that object, the cylinder, and we can use that to lift it. And so what I'm doing is lifting it so that there's some material left at the bottom. Well, there, you want to leave enough so your pencils don't fall through in case you lift the box. All right, so that's looking really great right now. So I want to maybe put another one on the other side. Rather than drag the cylinder and making it a hole again, I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to hit Control C, then I'm going to hit Control V, and then I'm just going to drag it to this side. And there you go. Now let's try to get like a little top view, and here you can try to center your object, and no reason why it has to be round. You can make ovals out of it. Click this one, make ovals. If you really want to make them the same, you usually just work on one and then you duplicate it so they're the exact same size. Okay, there you go. We see that it's off. We got some material at the bottom. We got material on all sides. So when you're finished with your design, you come up to the design button again, and you can download it for 3D printing. Now what we use is STL files. So you click on STL file, and it would download and it would save it. Now it's really important. Let me cancel this. When you're saving it, that you're saving the entire object and not just what you have highlighted. So there's two ways you can do this. You can drag your mouse, highlight everything, and then you could say group, or you can just hold down the shift key and select every object. So when you group it, it's a little bit easier. So now let's go back. You can say download for 3D printing, click on STL. A new window will pop up and it'll say, what do you want to call it? Let's call it test print. And you see the extension is STL, save, and that's it. And we have a file.